Hello and welcome to the stock market analysis. Let's take a look at Arista networks, ANET, see where it's going and what we can learn. Wow, the sell-off here actually was caused by a massive gap down. You can see that sideways trading here. This is a consolidation and support area is around here in the short term, but once it gapped down below this support area, the selling starts to happen, and the gap down is also below the 50 MA. So there was a massive selling pressure here all the way down until the formation of a doji. Doji can actually show us that bearish momentum is slowing down. So after that, the green bar appear after the doji shows that the bulls are coming back in. And this was also an area of support. Yep, you can see the support here. That's why it stopped dropping. And of course now it's on the rise here. So this stock has been doing quite well for a long time. And for a long period of time, it has been trading above the rising 200 MA. So from here, we had a double bottom, stock corrected from a double bottom, and the right bottom here is very interesting because there was a large gap down, and then all the way up it not only closed higher than yesterday, it actually engulfed. This is a bullish engulfing pattern that engulfs so many bars, so definitely it was telling us that bulls were coming in. Double bottom, and the support 200 MA acted as the support, that's why it rose. And then bullish cross here hinted of a rise, and it overcome, after the bullish cross, it overcome the top here. You can see this top became an area of support, and then of course it rise and corrected, another nice gap down here, but because there's support here and very near the rising 200 MA, it managed to find support and then move back up. And then this gap area became a support area. So gap areas are actually can be support areas. This stock is very interesting because it gaps up and down. It gaps down, then it gaps up. And you can see the gap area became a support area. Yeah, gap areas can become a support area. When it declined here, found support, and then another decline, found support, a bullish hermite, and then a gap up. But overall, you can see that this stock is, during this period, is sometimes be very difficult to trade it, but if you're an investor, you just hold on to it. It has been rising steadily all the way, and the moving averages here with the 20 MA rising, 50 MA rising, 200 MA rising, points to bullishness until here when it gapped down below the 50 MA. There are actually quite a lot of tradable areas, you know, when the stock was rising. For example, stock correcting to the 20 MA. This is a buy setup. Correcting the 20 MA dojis, buy setup. You can buy here, put a stop loss and ride it higher. And of course, bottoming tails at the 50 MA and so on. And after that, the stock gap down, move higher, and then right now it's at the congestion area, which is acting as a bit of a resistance over here. Supply here needs to be absorbed, but you can see heavy volume here, and most likely if the stock continues to stay around here, it will continue to chuck higher in the long term. Let's take a look at the 60-minute chart. Here we have the stock in a downtrend, bearish cross, gap down, and immediately a topping tail here. Stock actually tried to move and close the gap, but got slammed down with a topping tail, and then the declining 60-minute, 20 MA and 50 MA here shows bearishness in all the way down. You can actually short the stock in the 60-minute chart, especially when it drops below tiny consolidations like here. You can short here, put a stop loss, and write it close a bit lower. Then the stock start to stabilize in the 60-minute chart, break above the 20 MA and 50 MA, and corrected, and then move up again, gapping up here, and here was a trade above consolidation, gap up, move up. So right now we are in a bullish situation where there's already a bullish cross above the rising 20 MA, 50 MA. But as I said, a lot of supply here, so some sideways trading is needed before breaking up higher. Weekly charts of this stock, interesting. Stock is, ever since the breakout here, this is a breakout from a resistance area. Ever since this breakout, it has been just going higher. We have a bullish cross here, and the stock has been making higher lows also. Low, higher low, higher low, squeezing higher, and eventually went up. Corrected, found a support area here, and that's why this is a very good investment, especially when it broke out above here. Above there's a bullish cross, so an investor could buy here, put a stop loss here, and it's just been going on and upwards. So at this moment, the 20 MA is still rising. We want to continue to be bullish in the stock. 50 MA is rising in the weekly chart. 200 MA is rising. So we want to be bullish on this stock. Very interesting stock. A slow winner, but over the years you can see that even in the monthly chart, it's still in an uptrend. And this stock is a slow winner. It's not very popular like Nvidia, but it has been a slow winner. And for investors, you should definitely continue to invest in this stock. Right? Identify support areas and just keep on buying the stock because it's in a long-term uptrend. So I hope this analysis helps, and I'll see you in the next one.